Hi, this is day 5 of Vacation Bible School Crafts, and this is the day that we get to make the mask. Jane is going to tell you about the story in the Bible of how Jesus healed 2 men who were blind. Their eyes didn't work, and the mask will emphasize your eyes. He also healed a mute man who could not talk. When we make the masks, they'll remind you of how important your eyes are, your wonderful eyes that help you see. But also your eyes, together with your eyebrows and your mouth, show people how you feel. Sometimes your eyes will show you're happy and smiley, and sometimes they will show that you're worried. And then other people will know that it's time to come and help you. To make your mask, first, take out the spots where your eyes are going to look through, like this. Then use your scratching tool to scratch off the black covering where you want to see the pretty colors underneath. This whole mask is covered with a black, thick coating. I think I would like to see these stripes show up more. So I use my scratching tool to scrape off the black stuff and see what colors are underneath. Oh, I thought it was going to be yellow, but it's already turning green. I wonder what colors are on the rest of it. Let's take a look. I think his tusks need to be another color too. Let's scratch off some of that and see what color. I wonder about his ears. I wonder if he would like a pattern up here. It's not marked, but I think he needs some eyebrows. What about those ears? I wonder if he'd like a pattern on that too. What else would he like to show? By golly, I've found a different color in every place I've scratched. I wonder how your mask will look. The Bible verse sticker will fit nicely right on the back. And now we're ready to put the elastic cord around so it can go around and hook onto the mask. Poke it right through the hole on each side. Tip this silver thing sideways so it latches right on. And then the other one. Poke the silver tip right through the hole. Tip the black part sideways so it latches on. When you wear your mask, it will help you to remember that Jesus can heal eyes too, because he loves you.